In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your PayPal account.
So here we are inside of the PayPal mobile application. We're going to add money to our PayPal balance. In order to do this, we need to click those three dots next to where it reads PayPal balance. And you can see that the PayPal balance is showing 0 available. Let's press those three dots now. Click on View Details. Here is where you can add money to your PayPal balance. It also reads, you don't need a PayPal balance to use PayPal. When you have a balance, we'll use it first. When you don't, you can pay or send money using your preferred bank account or card. So for those of you who are asking questions about how a PayPal balance works or how you can pay using PayPal, this is awesome information. PayPal is letting you know that when you have money added to your PayPal balance, you will be paying with that first. So whether you have received money from somebody else or you have added money to your PayPal using a bank account or debit card, that money that is reflected in your PayPal balance will be used first when you pay with PayPal. For now, we're going to add a PayPal balance. So we're going to add money to our PayPal. Let's press Add Money. Here is where you would select how much you would like to add. I'm going to add £10. Once you have made your selection, press Next. Here is where you can see how I'll be adding money to my PayPal balance. You can see that I have a bank account that I already have linked to my PayPal account. I can use this bank account to top up my PayPal balance. It also tells you how long this transfer method is going to take. So because I'm transferring from a bank account, it is telling me that this can take up to 5 working days. Debit cards are a lot quicker than bank account transfers via your PayPal. But for this demonstration, we're going to use this bank account. It also then reads where this money will be going. So it says to PayPal balance, which is currently showing 0 available. We're going to select Add Money. Hurrah! You've added £10 to your PayPal balance. This takes up to 5 working days.
If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Remember, I have a playlist that I've built for you if you're interested in fintech and online money. Anything to do with your online money, earning online money, moving your online money, everything online money here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel will be in a playlist called Online Money. So if you've watched this video all the way until this point, you are definitely 100% going to be interested in what I have in that playlist, and I will only be adding more. There's more to come here on the Anthony Allen channel. You want to stick around for more content about your online money.